Good day everyone. Today I'd like to show you how to apply a hydrogel film to your phone. I'll need the hydrogel film itself, which I purchased online. It came with 2 sheets. Next, I'll need alcohol, wipes, and a piece of cardboard to smooth out the film. First, take a wipe and moisten it with alcohol, or use an alcohol-soaked wipe. Now, I use this wipe to clean the phone screen of dust, stains, and dirt. Now I dry it and clean the phone screen with a dry wipe. Now I take the hydrogel film and carefully try it on the screen to make sure it fits. You need to remove the sticker located just below the middle. Next, I place the film on the phone screen and align it. Now, you need to press the adhesive strip with your finger. Next, I press the film with the cardboard. And now I remove the layer of film with the cardboard and smooth it out. Both on one side and on the other. Now I carefully smooth out the hydrofilm with cardboard. Removing as many bubbles as possible. Next, I remove the top part of the film, simply pulling the tab with my finger. Now, using a dry cloth, preferably a fiber cloth, I smooth out the entire monitor screen, especially around the edges. There are still a few small bubbles here and there, but they should disappear within 24 hours.
I had a problem with the film on my smartphone. It came off. Now I will show an effective way to restick this protective film. We remove the film, then we need cotton wool, alcohol. We moisten the cotton wool with alcohol and now we need to wipe the phone screen. We remove dust particles, villi and other dirt from the screen. Cotton wool cleans everything very well. If cotton wool is not available, you can use a moisturizing alcohol wipe. We also need to clean the film. Turn the film over, clean it on the other side. Next, we need a white adhesive tape and we need to stick it on the film. If the adhesive tape is narrow, stick another strip on the film so as to completely cover it. screen and give it a sticky effect. Be sure to stick the handles on the surface in order to quickly remove the adhesive tape in the future. Now we wait 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can peel off the adhesive tape from the phone screen. And peel off the tape from the film. Now you can glue the film on the phone. We put the film straight. You see the filling of the surface of the smartphone screen has gone. Scotch tape handles can now be removed. Then we take a piece of cardboard or a sheet of a magazine, fold it and gently rub the phone screen. We need to remove the remnants of the villi and the air under the oilcloth. Not the most ideal gluing turned out, but to make everything perfect, repeat this procedure again. With our fingers, we finally remove the air under the film.
There is a problem with the phone. Half of the touch screen is coming off. I tilt the phone and see the touch screen moves away, but the phone is in working condition. In this case, you need to seal the touch screen. Special glue T7000 is suitable for gluing. When you unscrew the cap, you see a special awl and a thin hole nozzle. I will also need alcohol and an old, unnecessary toothbrush. First of all, you need to clean and degrease the perimeter of the gluing connector. Next, I take alcohol and fill the tube with it. I wet the brush with alcohol. Now, I carefully clean the perimeter of the touchscreen gluing, remove old glue, dust, debris, etc. I clean and degrease both the perimeter side of the phone and the glass side. Now, I'm waiting a little for the alcohol to dry. Now, after the alcohol has completely dried, I apply glue around the perimeter of the phone. I start from the top corner. Carefully apply a layer of glue, especially near the camera. I try to apply glue only in one layer around the perimeter. I apply one layer around the perimeter. Now wait 5 minutes until the glue dries a little, and now gently press the glass. In order for the touchscreen to stick and hold perfectly, it needs to be pressed with something. It can be pressed with clothespins or special rubber bands for banknotes. I distribute the rubber bands evenly across the touchscreen. Now I wait 24 hours, and after this period, The touchscreen will hold securely.
If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Goodbye.